Today, we are remembering Edward's celery-hand's sad story. He was born with celery sticks instead of fingers, and lettuce instead of hair. He had a hard life, as his father was a vegetarian. However, her mother was always looking after him. Until a day when Edward's father bit one of his fingers, and Edward's mother kicked him out forever. Edward lived some happy moments too, like a romantic love story. And although his girlfriend would have to leave for the distant Costa Brava, soon they would meet again, and they would start a life together. And then, when everything seemed to go well, Edward was sent to war, and he never came back. But his story inspired many other people like him, and they continued fighting to find their place in this society.